Question number 20 is, in a potato race, a bucket is placed. Here bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meter from the first potato. So here is the first potato, which is at the distance of 5 meter, and other potatoes are placed at the 3 meter apart. So these are the potatoes placed at the distance of 3 meters from each other. There are 10 potatoes in a line. So total number of potatoes in the line is 10. The competitor starts from the bucket. So she starts from here, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it in the bucket and runs back to pick the next potato. So she goes like this. यहाँ से यहाँ तक गई, पोटैटो उठाया, वापस गई, बकेट में डाला, फिर दूसरे पोटैटो के लिए आई, फिर उसको उठाया, then she went back to put the potato in the bucket and she continues like this. So we have to find out what is the total distance run by the competitor. Here is the solution. Now for the first potato, she has to run. First she has to go and then she has to come back. So the distance run to pick the first potato is 2 into 5, that is 10 meters. 2 into 5, 10 meters. Then for the second potato, she goes like this and then again come like this. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2 into 8, that is 16 meters. For the third potato again, she has to go 5, 3 plus 3, that is 2 into 11, that is 22 meters. Total potatoes are 10 and AP is 10, 16, 22, so on. A is 10 and A is 6. We have to find out the total distance run by the competitor. That comes out to S10 because she has run to pick up 10 potatoes. So S10 is given by the formula 10 upon 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 D. A is 10, D is 6 and we get the value of S10 is 370. So the total distance run by the competitor is 370 meters.